Hi, my name is Rashida and I'm the owner of 1122 Shoes, and I'm going to show you how to measure your calves so that before you make a purchase you can have a better understanding of how my sizing works and whether or not the boot that you're looking at is perfect for you. So in order to measure your calf, you're going to take a measuring tape that you can find from Joann Fabric or any fabric store for that matter, and you're going to measure the thickest part of your leg, which is your calf. The calf is like the real meaty part in the back of your leg that us women have that stick out the most, okay? So you're going to take that, and that's going to determine what your calf size is. So when it comes to the sizes of my boot and the calf to shoe size ratio, a lot of people get confused, and unfortunately there is no one size calf size that fits all of my boots. The calf size will differ from the size of the shoe. So the smaller your shoe size is, the smaller the calf size will get. So if you notice, I do not sell size 7 and 8s right now because I don't have a model. So if you're interested in being my model and I can measure your calf, please contact me because I would love to expand my sizes and offer the smaller sizes. So the reason I don't offer size 7s and 8s is because though women who have that smaller shoe size, normally their calf size are a lot larger. So it's going to be hard for me to put a larger calf size on a smaller shoe, especially if I do not have a model. So if you wear a size 9, which is the typical size that I usually start with, if your calf size is between 17 and 18.5 inches, you're fine. You will definitely be able to fit the boot. Okay, so with a size 10, I always say between 18 inches to maybe 19 inches for a size 10 would be perfect. I'm a size 10.5, so I always size up to a size 11. So my calf size is roughly 19.25 inches. And so with that 11, if you're between a 19 and a 19.5 to 20-inch size calf, you're perfect. Size 12, your calf size will run up to about 21 inches, and size 13, it will get big. It will get a lot larger. So it's going to run up to about a 21.5 in the calf size. So if you wear a size 13 and you have a calf size of about 21.5, you're perfect for the boot. So that's normally the size range that I use for all of my boots. Although they may look different, the calf size is normally around that amount. So if you are a size 9 and you have a calf size of about 20 inches, unfortunately, you can fit the boot, but it will be extremely tight. Also, with my leather style boots, I do have a product that I always tell my customers that they can use if it's a type of leather. You can purchase off Amazon. It's called a boot stretcher spray. Spray that boot with that boot spray. Put your boot on and leave it on for about 2 hours, and it'll stretch to the size of your leg, and it'll stay that way. So how I determine the size of my boots, before I used to use my own calf size. So being that I'm a size 11 in boots, I had to get other sizes, of course, but not because I do not wear a size 9 or 10 or 12 or 13. And I get the average calf size between those models is how I was able to end up with those particular calf sizes. So again, if you are a size 7 or you're a size 8, please contact me because I would love to offer those sizes. Again, I just need to be able to get the correct calf size for my girls. But thank y'all so much. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any further questions, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, and you may leave them in the comments below. Thank you. Bye.